Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a cooking video. As you all can see, I want to show you guys how I prepared this affordable Oha soup. This is the cheapest soup you can make, guys, and you can make it in few minutes. So I want to show you guys how I make this Nigerian native Oha soup. Okay guys, please, if you're new here, do subscribe, like and share this video, and please stay tuned.
I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me, and the special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby. That's what you told me, and I believe it. 'Cause I ain't never had nobody do me.
So guys, in making this soup, this is the ingredients we are going to use. We'll be using my smoked roasted meat, yes, and stock fish. I got this meat when I came back from Port Harcourt. My mom roasted it for me, and here we have the thickener, which is the Ofor, as we Igbos will call it. We have our purple onion, we have our pepper, and I have my smoked fish. I'm using 2 big smoked fish, guys. Yes, some of you might prefer dried fish, it's fine, but I just like the taste that this smoked fish gives to my Oha soup. And this is the Oha leaves, and I'm also using Uziza, and yeah, these are the Uziza I could get in the market. I'm just going to select them, take out the bad ones, and yeah, I'll be using Uziza and Oha leaf. Then I also have my yellow pepper. This pepper gives a very nice taste to my soup. I use this pepper for every soup I prepare. It's very nice. If you haven't used this pepper or tried it, I think you should really try it, because it gives a very nice flavor to every Nigerian delicacy when it comes to from soup. Even some use it in pepper soup. It depends, it's your preference. Okay, so yeah, then I'll be using my seasoning cubes. These are the ingredients I will be using, and then I'll be using my palm oil too. Okay guys, let's start preparing our Oha soup. I really like this, my roasted beef. My mom did it prepared it for me and gave it to me, and I returned back with it to Abuja. So yeah, let me just prep everything, then we are good to go. So guys, this is my pepper, I blended them, and this is my chopped onion. I have the Oha leaf chopped, is another bowl. My smoked fish, the meat, I washed them properly. Yeah, this is the Oha leaf and the Uziza. I slice them and put them together, and yeah, everything, as you can see, they are all here and properly washed and prepped. So the first thing I'm going to do is I will go in with my roasted meat and stock fish. Just steam it a little to give it, just season it just a little, and I'm using Knorr, guys, to season. And after that, I will just go in with some water, put in my Knorr cube just to give it just a little taste, because I'm still going to add more water to prepare this soup. Yeah, these are just what I need for now. Then after doing this, I will just cover it for about 5 minutes. So guys, I'm going to put in the onion. Just put enough onion, your preference, what you like. Most people don't really like onion in their food, I guess, but I'm not one of those people, because I do like onion in my food. And I'm going to go in with some salt, just a little spoon of salt, maybe half teaspoon of salt. Then I'll go in with the blended pepper. As you can see, I added some more water because it's time to prepare this Oha soup. So I'm going to add in my crayfish. Don't worry guys, I know when I was starting the video, I didn't show you guys all the ingredients. I will just put them in the description box. We'll just go there and we'll find it out. And I put 2 full spoons of crayfish, and then the next thing I'm going to do now is put in more seasoning to the food, and then I'm going to go in with my Ofor, which is the thickener. You know, most people have ways to do this, but the only way you will do this without getting some lumps or all these small balls start forming inside your pot of soup, the only way you can avoid this is if your food is boiling up like this. As you can see, it's really boiling up, and that's the only time you are to put the Ofor or the thickener, you know. And for some of you who might not really want that, there's another way, which is putting it inside warm water, stirring it, then you reintroduce it into your pot of soup. Okay, as you can see there, I added my smoked fish, and now is the time, and the perfect time for me. Now is the time I like to go in with my palm oil. Most people don't do this process. They just going with the palm oil first, but me, that is the only time I like adding my palm oil. So guys, as you can see, you see how thick this soup is. I don't want it thick, I don't want it watery. So after some minutes, after like maybe 5 other minutes again, I will now go in with my Uziza and my Oha leaves. These are the last thing you should do. Okay guys, this is the delicious Oha soup. Cheapest, affordable, tasty. Oh my god, you guys, you need to taste this food. It tastes really nice. Alright, please do subscribe, like, and share. Bye. I'm hungry. I'm running out to eat, guys.